Oh, guess who's here?
I'm trying to get the wristband on straight so the sticky part doesn't catch my hairs.
Oh yeah, you don't want to catch the hairs. That's bad. You got some hairs?
I got some hairs.
Oh man, you got some hairs. Alright, so it is the end of Learner's Day. It is now the night portion of the drift event, and I've been instructing all day and I'm tired, but I'm still gonna drive. And Hazelnuts is here to give me moral support. Right, Hazelnuts?
Yes.
I can't even. Anyway, I also heard my shirts are finally done being printed and they're gonna be dropped off tonight, so we get to see what they look like. I'm super excited. So, oh yeah, last private event, which was last Sunday, I lost a GoPro. I found it today thanks to Garrett and Chris, but it is trashed. It turns on and everything, but the screen sucks. So, one GoPro tonight, one camera, and Jonathan's a bitch. Didn't even hear me. Yes, I'm in passenger seat of my own car. And I only let people I trust do that, and that's Steven right here.
Hell yeah.
You've seen him on our other homies' channels, like Alan.
Yeah, Alan.
Can't think of Taylor, Adam, all the homies. But anyway, I'm letting him do some laps in my car, and it's gonna be sick. So let's see what happens. Alright, so a couple of unfortunate series of events. I drove with someone that I don't ever drive with, and I was a little too close for them just getting A-class, and he spun in front of me and I spun with him, but he still continued to drive forward and smashed my door in. So that happened, and then busted my crank pulley or damper. That's busted. So bunch of bullshit. Show you real quick. It's awesome. What?
I'll fuck your vlog. I'll fuck your vlog.
Oh yeah?
Jason!
What's over here? What are we doing? Is that a camera? Am I on the internet? I'm dead. I'm dead. Hey, come here.
Hey.
This is Wes. You guys probably know.
Hello.
I love Wes. We're both Asian, and we're gonna Asianly persuade you guys.
Wait, did you record all of that over here?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hello. This is actually my cousin. You know, we don't know it yet, but
Yeah.
we probably have a. Yeah.
I love how I'm holding the camera like all crooked as
Yeah, you
fuck.
are. I'm so confused.
Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna pick the car up tomorrow, so goodbye.